Alex Murdaugh just won. 3 years into 2 life sentences, the South Carolina Supreme Court threw out his murder convictions. On May 13, 2026, the court ordered a new trial. The reason was the court clerk. 3 receipts, 2 dead, 1 disgraced attorney, 1 clerk with a book deal. Receipt 1, the clerk, Rebecca Hill, court clerk of Colleton County, South Carolina. She managed the jury that convicted Alex Murdaugh in March 2023. Defense investigators interviewed jurors after the verdict. Multiple jurors said Hill privately commented on Murdaugh's credibility while the trial was underway. Other jurors said Hill pressured them to move quickly. They deliberated under 3 hours before returning the guilty verdict. Murdaugh's lawyers filed a motion for a new trial in September 2023. The trial court denied it. The defense appealed. Receipt 1 was the clerk. Receipt 2 was the book. Behind the Doors of Justice, the Murdaugh Murders. A clerk's eye account of the trial. Author, Rebecca Hill. The book was announced weeks after the verdict and published that summer. The defense argued Hill needed a conviction to sell it. South Carolina opened a separate investigation into Hill. She was indicted for misconduct in office and obstruction. That case is still pending. Prosecutors argued the timing showed a pattern. A clerk allegedly steering a verdict and then profiting from it the same year. Receipt 2 was the book. Receipt 3 was the ruling. Quote, "The integrity of the jury process is the foundation of a fair trial. That foundation was compromised here." End quote. That was the South Carolina Supreme Court. 5 judges, unanimous on the prejudice finding. May 13, 2026. Both murder convictions vacated. Both life sentences erased. The state must retry Alex Murdaugh for the murders of Maggie and Paul. Murdaugh remains in federal custody on unrelated financial fraud convictions. The new murder trial is expected to begin in late 2026. 3 receipts, 1 clerk, 1 book deal, 1 Supreme Court ruling. Tomorrow, the Idaho student murders, Brian Koberger, 1 plea deal, 4 families that never agreed to it.